Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Amazon over-ear headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth pairing issues. So at first, check that your Bluetooth on your headphones is enabled. It is over here. As you can see, it's enabled now. Just switch over here. Now, if it doesn't work for you, you have to scroll down to your control panel, both on Android and iOS, and go to your Bluetooth. Now you just have to disable and enable your Bluetooth. If it doesn't work for you, you have to go into pairing mode with your headphones. To do this, you have to just hold your finger on this button over here. And now our headphones are in pairing mode. It should work. If it doesn't work for you, you have to contact your support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.